Come on.
Not now, not now.
Play a song.
No, not now.
Play a
No,
song.
not now. Come on, man.
Okay. Got Love Play in the mix. Jason's got his brand new guitar that he bought with his pay today for $200, $250. Got Laughter the Ice and Juicin'. Laughter the Ice and Juicin'. Got 2 boxes of Chop Chop still. About 1 3/4 box of Chop Chop still. Got Jason's phone. Got lighters, got pipes. Got ABC24 reporting the Soccer World Cup. And also senators and stuff and Parliament. Senator Gaia. Senator Gaia. Australian, Victorian Federal Parliament. And Victorian Parliament. Got the skaters. Got the helmets. Got the goggles. Jason's given me his old guitar, the red one, for the blue one that he borrowed about a few months ago to go busking with, and then he broke it, so he's got to me another guitar, and he's going to give me his old one. He's got a good guitar.
Stop it.
Okay, sorry, Jason. I know you don't want me to film tonight, do you?
I don't like filming in general. Remember, I'm very slow. I don't even have any photos.
Yeah, no, you don't have selfies, do you, Jace? Jace doesn't do selfies. Nice house. Have a nice house out in the woods. Suit and tie affair. Light a ciggy. Jason's playing the guitar. Riffing it off on guitar.